Good morning. Oh my goodness, I've noticed so many of my videos fade in with the sound. I'm hoping I fixed it. I have changed multiple settings on my phone. So if you're watching these videos and the sound fades in and out every time I start a video, sorry, I'm trying to fix it. I don't know, something with iPhones. Anywho, so today I have buco amounts of yellow squash coming out of my garden. This is what happens when you have 8 yellow squash plants and 1 zucchini plant. I really wish that was reversed. I can't say how many times this year, how many times I've said that. But anyhow, I was able to get a few zucchinis from a friend and I picked 2 big zucchinis off of my 1 plant today. So I have a ton of yellow squash and a few zucchinis that I gotta do something with today. I did find a yellow squash casserole recipe on Pinterest I want to try, so I think I'll make that for like as a side with dinner tonight. So, and then the rest I might just shred to freeze dry, or I don't know, I got to figure something out with it today though. At homeschool, today is language arts day, and then we have some friends that the girls we've talked about doing a play date with, and so I make sure we're still on for that. And then I just gotta clean and organize our Taste Buds trailer. That was our food concession trailer that we had. We decided to put on a back burner. And so we're gonna just use the trailer as storage for now, so we can clear out the garage. And if we get the garage cleared out good enough, Tony's got an air hockey table he got from work that we're gonna put in the garage, because you know, that's what we need. Actually, I think it'll be fun. We just got to make room for it. So the trailer in the garage, it's going to be a big job. So I figure if I just do a little bit each day and work on that. And then always video editing. Video editing always needs to be done. So that's kind of today. Not a super busy day. Oh, I do need to run out to Parowan, about a half-hour drive from me. For a couple of things today at some point. So, yeah, a few things like that, just kind of busy work. It doesn't feel like a super busy day because everything is kind of flexible, but needs to be done still. So, I'm going to organize a few things in my bedroom before I really get started, because my bedroom's driving me crazy. So I'm gonna work on that real quick while the girls are still sleeping, because it's early. It's not even 8 o'clock yet this morning. So let's do this. So check out our new chair and ottoman. This is one of the things that I ran out to Parowan to pick up today. Yay! It fits and it's so comfy. The girls love it, don't you? And so yeah, so we went and got that chair, and then this is the one that was there. I think I just ordered a new cover for it. So yeah, this it's pretty sturdy and comfy, but this is extra wide. I know, it can. There's so much room there too, huh? We can sit, me and Daddy can sit there together.
Or me, you, and then Addie.
Yeah. Check this out. My niece just hooked us up with some grass scraps, and yay! Jordan helped me go get them, and we laid them out. We had 1 strip that our neighbors put in grass on Saturday, and they gave us 3 extra rolls, and my niece's boyfriend does landscaping, and so he had 6 extra rolls. Yay! We'll have a grass backyard eventually.